Hey, I'm Dan Griffith, founder and growth strategist at the Greater Gain Group. We work with B2B software and service companies in healthcare, banking, financial services, and insurance, especially when the growth stalls or sales just aren't scaling the way they should. And if you're skeptical, you're not alone. Most of our clients were too. They'd already hired a head of sales or brought in an agency and gotten no real traction. Their pipeline was busy, but not moving. Their CRM was chaos, and they were still the ones jumping in every deal to rescue it. At Greater Gain, we help founders install go-to-market systems their team can actually run. That includes messaging that gets responses in regulated markets, a sales process with teeth, not guesswork, and a CRM and dashboard that the board finally trusts. Then retrain your team, turn the keys over, and step aside. One European SaaS company came to us after 2 failed US launches and a costly sales hire that flopped. In 60 days, they booked 18 qualified meetings and closed 3 enterprise deals. They stopped guessing and finally got traction with the right buyers. We're not trying to sell you a retainer or take over your revenue team. We build systems that work, then get out of your way. Most of our clients come to us saying one of 3 things. We need meetings in the US fast. Or, we hired a salesperson and it didn't work. Or, we've got a forecast, but nobody believes it. If that's you, you're not broken. You just need a better system. Let's schedule a quick call to see if we're a fit. No pressure. If we can help, I'll show you how. If not, I'll point you in the right direction.